Hello everyone, this is a soft cut crease tutorial. This is my first video and I hope you enjoy it. First I'm going to tie my hair back with an elastic and moisturize my face with Bare Minerals Butter Drench Restorative Rich Cream, making sure that I rub that in nicely to my face and neck area. And then I'm going to prime with Bare Minerals Prime Time with a small stippling brush from e.l.f., making sure that I hit my eyelids and my neck. And then in order to prep my eyelids further, I'm going to take some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and hit that on the top of my eyes and tap it out lightly with my finger. And then using the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to take Warm Top with a MAC 230 brush and start in on my crease. And then buff it out with a Sephora Pro Airbrush Crease brush. Doing a nice big dramatic smoky eye. And then for my transition color, I'm using Realgar, which is a nice bright orange. Again, using my MAC 230 brush to set it and the Sephora Pro Airbrush to buff it out. And then using this nice angled brush from Bare Minerals called a Duo Shaping Eye Brush, I'm using Red Ochre right on the outer corner of my eye. Using Pro Longwear Paint Pot from MAC in Bare Study, I'm going to lightly tap that product onto the inner corner of my eye and buff it out into the red. And then using my Bare Minerals Duo Shaping Eye Brush again, I'm buffing out Primavera just into the inner corner of my eye as well as my brow bone. Have a nice sparkle up there. And then to clean up my fallout and my line, I use Nip and Fab makeup remover wipes or any remover wipe I have handy. And then using Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer and Buttercream, I go ahead and lay down my foundation, or moisturizer rather. Using Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte in light neutral, I go ahead and use the applicator under my eyes, the tip of my nose, my T-zone, and the corners of my mouth. And I use a Sephora brand beauty blender sponge to buff it out. Making sure that I'm tapping and not dragging the sponge. Dragging the sponge picks up the product more. Then to set everything, I go ahead in with a MAC 120 brush and use a Fit Me powder from Maybelline in Fair just to set everything out. Since I'm not using a cream contour, I go ahead and just set everything with powder, knowing that I'm going in with more powder after. So using Hoola bronzer and again using that MAC 120 brush, I create a contour, really using the shape of a 3 on my face and then buffing out from there. So you can see I make the shape of a 3 and buff it out. Next I go in with Bare Minerals Pressed Blush in the Natural High. For my brows, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Caramel. And I use the other end of that Bare Minerals Duo Shaping Eye Brush. I love this brush. It's so versatile. I would own 5 of them if I could. For mascara today, I'm using Urban Decay's Troublemaker mascara. I'm still adjusting to this formula and the wand, but I'm really enjoying it the more times that I'm using this product. I don't normally put on mascara before eyeliner, but lately I've just been doing it because it helps me create my eyeliner straighter, I feel like. And then I'm going in to create my cat eyeline from using, what am I using? e.l.f. Jet Black Eyeliner. It's great, I love the brush. Next, I'm prepping my lashes from Eyelur. This is number 155 for a nice wispy cat eye look. And while my lashes are drying or mattifying, I guess, I'm putting on Bare Minerals Matte Lip Cream in Shag and going over with Buttercream Lip Gloss in Snarky. Then I throw on my lashes and hit Realgar and Red Ochre underneath my eyes using that duo shaping eye brush from Bare Minerals. And last but not least, I use Becca Opal Shimmering Skin Perfector for my highlight and tap it out with my finger. Well, I hope you enjoyed my first tutorial. I really enjoyed making this and I hope to make a bunch more in the future. Let me know what you'd like to see or what you think I can improve on. I hope you guys have a great day.